Who are the looters who loots the highway, who steals the road beneath our feet, who profits while the people bleed? Beneath the open sky, no one dares to speak against them. Are they more powerful than the government? Why can no one stop them? Who gave permission to collect taxes on the open highway? Who granted them such authority? Why do the people still live in fear? Who will answer these questions? Tell me. Who are the looters? Who owns this road? Who owns this land? Highway, oh, national highway. Looters upon the highway. They walk free, they take what they please. Is this the highway of our land? Who crowned your throne? Protects the hands that take. Do they share the same mistake? From the side, some look away, some choose to hide. The road remembers every name. History writes beyond today's flame. People whisper, people pray. Still the fear won't fade away. Justice waits beyond the night, searching for the morning light. Who are the who loots the highway? Is this lawful in the light of day? Why do voices still defend? Why does silence never end? If someone shields the hand that steals, what truth does that silence reveal? Highway, oh, national highway. Looters upon the highway. They walk free, they take what they please. Is this the highway of our land? Who crowned your throne of greed? Oh, looters, highway looters, highway looters, highway looters. Is this legal beneath the open sky? Why does no one answer why? Who still protects the hands that take? Do they share the same mistake?